Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In this video, I will show you how to create slide for the school project. I have received a question email if I can make slide for the children. Yes, we can do it. I will show you this because all the previous slide or presentation that we have made, it's related for the business, company, corporate, etc., etc. Yes, we can do a real pretty animation for the children. To explain something that we will make here. So for this I have downloaded some vector or icon, image, what you want from I have downloaded them from the website Flat Icon. There are a lot of free objects and I have answered them in PowerPoint. Now I will make my slide. So let's zoom again. Now I will put this element or an ingredient in the left side. So I have carrots, avocado and lettuce, and I will put this salad in the bowl here. Good. What I will do now, I will insert shape, rectangle, and I put it in the middle. So from the top, like this and like this. Good. And now I put it in the middle using the guideline. Where is it? The middle. Is the middle here? Or I can use, remember, I can use so simple. I can use a line center and a line middle. Same thing. Now you choose change the color, of course. It is not good color for this shape. Choose something that is not very light. Something like this, and I will remove the outline. I don't need the outline. Now it's good. Now what I will do, it is here how to choose good animation. I will show you new animation. I don't use it before. It is the time to use it. You will see it's very useful, this animation. So what I will do, I will select the three elements. And now I will go to the animation, click to this arrow, see all animation and choose motion path. Go to the motion path. Yeah, it's another type of animation. And I will choose line here. Good. Now I will just change the direction to the right. I see already I see them. So now I don't want to see them. What I will do, I will increase the line, the length of the line to make it straight. Remember, to stay straight, push the button shift. So I push. Oops. Wait, oops, sorry. I'm trying to get the animation. Let's click in here. Oops, animation, sorry. Yeah, this one. Oops. Yeah. No. Remember. Shift, good, like this. The same thing from here. Like this. And the final one. Oops. Something like this. Okay, do not see them. Now, if I see my animation, is it? Good. You see? You see the purpose. And for this element, for the salad bowl, I will put it here the first time. So I put it from here. After I will, I think, add the name. And now I will make the same thing. Line. Where is it? Where are you? But option to the right. Do you see? Very useful. So I just added some delay here, like this, like this. So simple to make some difference between the element ingredient, something like this, or good here like this. So if you want to remember to increase the line, push the button shift. If you don't push in the button shift, the line will not be straight. Okay, I will go to another direction. Now, if I see my animation, how to do this? Look here, it's by click. When I start, I let it by click because I will explain something to the children. Okay? I will not make the animation directly. No, it is not my purpose. I will let it by click. So now if I run my animation, good, go. Now I will start to explain to the children. If you want to make the salad, we use some vegetable. For example, we have avocado, carrot, lettuce, etc., etc. And after this, we put them in the bowl, and you start to mix them. So when you start to mix them, here you click. And here, when you finish to put your all the element, for example, we added the olive oil, we added some olive, etc. You will got your final salad bowl. I know I am not a cooker, I am not expert in the food, but I like food, but to explain how to do simple salad, I don't know. You see, but here is our purpose, is to explain you how to obtain the result without any text. As you can see, here is we have the initial element, initial ingredient. I must prepare them. Here is the ingredient, how to make our own salad. And when you start to mix, you click. And when you finally add the final ingredient, you will got your bowl salad. So simple. You will see. Children we like it very, very, very well. Okay? Without any text. I repeat, without any text. You must put your text in your head. It's very, very important. You can make the same slide with another purpose. I don't know, for the mathematical, to explain something in mathematics, to explain something for the grammar, for vocabulary. I don't know. You have lots of things. If you need something to do to make the rule, make something like this, and we got very, very good result. I have used this type of animation for I remember 5 years ago for some people, and I have made all the slide like this. It is for if I remember, I don't remember what is the subject. I think it's about for the mathematical thing, yeah, or for the Java. I think for the Java. Well, it is about Java. Without using any text, just by putting some element and explain the result. So, show me if you have an idea how to create a simple slide for the school project, and we share it with other people to be more benefit, to have a lot of idea. I hope that you have understand and like this type of animation, type of slide. See you for next video, inshallah. Take care of us, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.